How to use Morphing Bracelet in Minecraft PE. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to use the Morphing Bracelet in Minecraft Pocket Edition. These amazing items let you transform into a different mob and use their special powers. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the add-on. First, you need to install Morphing Bracelet add-on. You can find it on trusted websites like MCPDL. Once you download the file, open it with Minecraft to import it automatically. Then, go to your world settings, activate both the resource pack and behavior pack, and make sure experimental gameplay is turned on. Step 2. Enter the game. Now, create a new world or use the one you already have. Don't forget to allow cheats if you want to get the item quickly. You can usually find the Morphing Bracelet in the creative inventory, or it might appear on the loot chests depending on the add-on. Step 3. Use the bracelet. Once you have the Morphing Bracelet, hold in your hand. Then, go and defeat any mob, like a skeleton or zombie. The bracelet will absorb their essence, unlocking that form. After that, just hold the screen or tap as the add-on explains and choose the mob you want to become. Step 4. Morphing powers. Now the fun begins. When you transform, you also gain the mob's abilities. As a bat, you can fly. As a creeper, you can explode. Some morphs even have a weakness, like burning in the sun as a zombie, so be careful. Tips before you play. These add-ons works best in single player mode. If you're playing online, make sure everyone has the mod on installed, or it might not work. Also, always check if the add-ons is compatible with your version of Minecraft Pocket Edition. And that was the tutorial on how to use the Morphing Bracelet in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.